Expert kitchen remodeling services in Fruit Heights, Utah. EagleRidge is your trusted partner for kitchen remodeling in Fruit Heights, Utah. We specialize in creating custom kitchen spaces that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're looking for a complete renovation, modern upgrades, or new construction, our team is ready to bring your vision to life. We offer expert kitchen design, custom cabinetry, countertop installation, flooring solutions, backsplash upgrades, lighting enhancements, and more. Our specialists handle plumbing, appliance installations, electrical services, and even structural modifications to ensure your kitchen is both beautiful and practical. At EagleRidge, we understand that every homeowner has unique preferences. Our personalized approach ensures that your kitchen aligns with your style, whether modern, traditional, or farmhouse-inspired. From initial design consultation to project completion, we guarantee top-notch craftsmanship and attention to detail. Remodeling your kitchen isn't just about aesthetics. It improves efficiency, adds value to your home, and enhances daily functionality. Our team integrates innovative layouts, energy-efficient solutions, and high-quality materials to create a space tailored to your needs. Trust EagleRidge for seamless kitchen remodeling in Fruit Heights. Contact us today for a free estimate at 801-784-1457 or visit us at eagleridgepros.com.